face. So we have Rose Quartz Gua Sha because we love a bit of self-love. So if you wake up in the morning and you're very puffy, this is your go-to. It literally is incredible at depuffing. The next awesome thing about these guys is it's perfect if you hold facial tension. Your muscles in your face are really important to be free of tension because that's essentially what's somewhat going to cause you wrinkles. Hence why people claim that these help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And the third, and I'll leave it at a third, there's so many, but it really increases product penetration and product depth. So I really encourage you, when you use your facial oil, if you're big into moisturizers, make sure it's a really hydrating one, and you use this, and it helps really penetrate that product into the layers of the dermis, and you're just going to see better results.